Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can view your download history in Google Play Store app. Dear friends, don't forget to put your like before starting this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to write your comments. So, let us get started. If you don't have Play Store on your device, then first of all open a web browser and then type play.google.com into your search engine. And then go to this site. This is how you will load up your Google Play Store. Next, on the top, right-click on your image, and then you take your library and your device, and you will see a complete list of all the different apps, games, books, and so on that are downloaded to your device and that you friends are using. That's how easily and quickly you can find out the whole list, the whole download history on Google Play Store. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put likes and write your comments. Bye friends.